Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use Shopify bulk discount apps. Let's get started. In order to do that, just head over in here under the apps, click on add apps right here, and then this will open this window. So head over and scroll down until you can see the Shopify App Store. Once you have done that, it will direct you to a new page right here wherein you will be able to see all the apps they offer. So just head over and then search in here for bulk discount. Then after that, just search in here for that. So from in there, you should be able to see apps related to the bulk discount. Like for example, this Discountify, which is actually built for Shopify, which means that you can actually use it on your own terms and it is not harmful to yours anything at all. So for example, let's head over and then just try to install it. Let's click on it. And then from in there, head over and click on install. As you can see, they have a free plan and also have the 3-day free trial. So you can see in here the actual summary of what each plan entails. So head over and install that app, and then it will open again a new tab wherein it will ask you to install or grant this access in order to install this on your Shopify itself. So head over and click on install, and then once you have clicked on that, as you can see, it will load again. And then from in there, you should be able to see the dashboard of this Discountify app. So let's just wait for that to finish the loading process. So in here, you can see Discountify and it's loading, and you should be able to see in here the dashboard once it's done with this loading process. So as you can see, it will offer you a 50% limited time. So you can choose to enter a free trial or you can also just exit it out. And then from in there, you should be able to see this homepage. So head over and click on create campaign. Then for example, let's name it 10% off. So, and then in here, just choose a discount type. It can be a general discount, clearance sale, or it can be a quantity and volume discount sale. So since we are using this for bulk discount, head over and then just choose this one. And then you need to put in a minimum quantity of items right here. So let's put in a 10% discount when they reach around 100 items that they bought. So after that, head over and click on this check mark wherein we can set minimum purchase requires a discount for each order individually. So let's set that. Then as you can see, let's put this on all of our store collections, all of the products we have. And then you can also combine this, but this actually locked since you need to upgrade your plan in order to do this. So just enter in here a start time. And if you want to set an end time, just head over and send an end time as well. So for example, I started at 1st of April. I will end it at the last day of April at around 3:30. So as you can see, this is a summary. We have a 30% off and then minimum quantity of each item independently and 10% off on minimum quantity of 100. So as you can see, if they actually bought a product in here, like for example, they buy 100, they will be able to get a 10% discount for this one. So if they head over and add this to their cart, they should be able to see what this will reflect on our cart. So as you can see, the product, which is around 30 pesos, is now 27 pesos right here, which has a 10% discount. And overall, the 3,000 has become 2,700. So as you can see, this is what it will look like. Then from in there, head over and click on save right here. And then once you have saved that, next thing you need to do is you just need to head over and then promote this campaign that you have on your page. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.